Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How is everyone doing? Today is the Year 9 presentation about Maldives for International Day. So picture this, a stunning group of islands in the Indian Ocean, south of Sri Lanka and India, and the smallest country in Asia. Culture. Did you know that the Maldivian culture is a colorful mix? It draws heavily from South Indian and Sri Lankan influences. And here's a fun fact. Back in the 12th century, Arab travelers made their way here, bringing a dash of African culture along for the ride. Talk about fascinating cultural blend. Now let's move on to one of my favorite topics, food. With oceans surrounding them, fish is a major star on Maldivian plates. One must-try dish is garudia, a simple yet delicious fish soup made with just fish, water, and salt. It's the perfect comfort food when paired with rice. Another treat is mas roshi, tuna stuffed chapati that's bursting with flavor. And I can't forget boshi mashuni, a gorgeous banana flower salad that's as tasty as it is pretty. Maldivian food is also a delightful spin on South Indian dishes. Their fish curry is rich, spicy, and creamy, exactly how a good curry should be. And there's so much variety, and each bite tells a story. Now let's talk fashion. The traditional dress for women is called hivihi libas. It features stunning embroidery known as kasabu vion, which really makes the outfits shine. These designs are beautifully showcased on vibrant fabrics, making them eye-catching and unique. That was the women's traditional dress. Now let's talk about the men's traditional dress. For the men, their traditional dress is the mundu, a long cloth wrapped around the waist, often seen in blue and white with white stripes. It's simple but stylish, and they usually pair it with a nice shirt. The mundu is perfect for both comfort and style on those warm Maldivian days, since it's usually sunny there. And that, ladies and gentlemen, wraps up our journey through the Maldives. From its rich culture to mouth-watering dishes and beautiful traditional attire. This tropical paradise has so much to offer. Thanks for joining me, and if you have any questions, now is the time. Thank you so much. Jazakallah khairan. Assalamu alaikum. We hope you really enjoyed this presentation.